What would it be like to run some of the coolest Hondas ever? Our job as parents is to embarrass the hell out of her. So what do we have here, babe? What happened? Staying warm. Their outdoor wood boiler. 3 3-wheelers and a little 4-wheeler? Haha, this is gonna be awesome. That's what makes Mr. Ryan's Amazing World that much more amazing. Just when you think you can't get any sexier, I tell you. Awesome stuff. Have a great day, everyone. So our 1968 Ford 4000 tractor here decided to let the water pump go. So, well, we luckily managed to get through baling hay, and now we're gonna fix this before the next round comes up. So what happened was the water pump went and the fan went. The fan actually broke practically in half, so it was out of balance, killed the bearings, whatever. It was old, it was time to go. So we ordered a new fan, and we have our new water pump. Start tearing into this, get everything all ready, and get back in business here. Simple enough project to get down in there, I guess. I'll end up, I'll take the battery out of here and disconnect the alternator. And there's a bunch of bolts. I believe there's like 8 of them around this. Take those out, pull the water pump. We did just do the thermostat, so I don't have to do that. Otherwise I would be changing the thermostat as well. But let's get into this. Okay, now I find this easiest to take the battery out, and I like to use the tray to hold my tools. It's kind of slick. We are going to undo this bolt here and here and take the whole top off. It just makes it a lot easier to get to everything. And then you have your bolt here and here, and then the whole thing comes kind of right off. Let's see here. I don't know. It should. What am I hanging up on here? There we go. If you do that, take the whole hood off, muffler and everything, and it slips right back over this. So pretty cool. Now you can get to your bolts, your fan belt for your alternator, loosen this up and get some more room in there. It's nice to take this hose off anyway because you're going to be getting in there as it is. So make sure you scrape your old gasket really good when you're replacing it with your new one here. And then this one will go on the back side of this pump, and take the bracket off that, this housing, stick that on there. Now when you put this back together, get yourself some thread locker and put that on every bolt, because you don't want the vibration loosening this or else disaster. So do that, that's very important. And we're pretty much ready to stick this thing in there. So we get that one out, put that other piece in. So it is super hot, I'm sweating big time. It was like 95 degrees and almost 100% humidity. And the water pump's on. I just have to put the fan belt back on, fill this sucker up, and put it back together, and pretty much done. So it's really not that hard of a project. We still have to put the fan on though. So let me keep moving. Well, we have some thunder in the distance here. I'm trying to get this thing done. So we're on, and we are ready to go. Put some antifreeze in there. Make sure you put some good 50-50 mix or so, and fire this thing up and let it run for a minute. We wanted to build some heat and trigger the thermostat, and then once the thermostat triggers, it'll circulate water. Till then, well, we need to add more water, I can see. And you want to put in antifreeze, and then a 50-50. You want to do your antifreeze first, and then put in distilled water after that, or you can get a 50-50 mix and buy it pre-mixed. In that thing, so it takes some water, and I'm doing it slow because what I want it to do is I want to build up the temperature in the engine, because it's got to build 180 degrees or so before it triggers that thermostat to open. So if you just run this and get it hot, it won't get the thermostat hot. It'll only get hot where the engine is, or the cylinders. You need to do it slow so it triggers and circulates everything correctly. I'm going to run it for a minute or two. available right away. Well, I hope you learned something. As always, we're always working on something here on the channel. So, well, check it out. We bought this tractor, drove it home. We baled some hay with this baler. We did a camper video on that camper. Did a bunch of work on the truck. It just doesn't end around here. So, make sure to like and subscribe, and you have a great day, and go out and play with all your toys. Well, it is not every day you get to take a 1986 Honda 250R out for a spin, but today is one of those days, and we've been working our butt off, so it's time. Everything is just right, conditions right to go for a spin. Our hay is done, the grass in the field is perfect, so let's go rip this up. Take this thing out and burn a little petrol. Burn some premium, I should say. Now, those of you might comment and say that seat's from a 1985. Yes, it is. This riser bar here is from an 85. Everything else is from 1986. Case is gray on the engine. It's usually a big indicator there. Pretty darn cool machine. Lots and lots and lots of fun. All right, let's fire this thing up. Always wear your helmet when you do this one. Got it on reserve. Let's put it on. I just filled this sucker up. Okay. Nice, easy machine to start. Definitely want to let it warm up a little bit. Don't push your luck. Don't rush it. Two-stroke, man. Those suckers are cold-blooded. Stare at the machine while we're looking at it. Rear brakes working. Now, I haven't got to ride this pig in a little while. I've been busy. Sitting, so we want to burn some fuel through it. Let's take her out. Our old camp spot. Move so we can give the ground a chance to catch back up. Right there, 1985 Honda 250 SX. Check out this video right here. Isn't her? I think we're pretty much warmed up. So cool. Man. Now they only made 13,000 of these things in 1986. So finding one in this kind of condition, pretty much all stock, ready to go and just ripping. Oh, lucky, lucky ride. Wow. Now I do have another set of gold rims there. Came on a 350X I have. I'm gonna link up to one of those videos right here. And boy, is that thing a lot of fun to ride too. But I think I'm gonna switch these out. They are nice, these 20s. They're nice and small. I mean, the ones I have on the gold rims are like 22-inch balloon tires. But it'll be a different ride, but still, wow. My hands are like tingling and numb and almost shaking like. Wow. Put up a link for this camper. We do a heck of a walkthrough on this thing. This thing a really, really cool camper here. While we're at it, holds all the toys, has the garage in the back. But back to this thing, man, wow. Like I said, they only made 13,000 of these things in 86. I think they made 23,000 of them in 85. So there are not many around. Most were beaten, most were destroyed, raced, trashed. Good ones today, man. It's like these fenders. I hate to say it, these are awesome original fenders. Except some jerk cracked them here. So I'm gonna go get myself a set of Mayors and park these for now. Who knows? Future technology will probably fuse those back together. You'll never even know it was ever messed with, so we'll sit around and save those. But yeah, you know, you check this whole thing out. It's got all the stickers and decals. It's in 1986 right there. 20-to-1 ratio. Yeah, they added these CR bars to it. I actually kind of like them because it's such an odd color to add to this machine. Kind of makes it. She needs to be polished back up a little bit, but it's just a runner, a ripper. I got the heck with a runner. She's a ripper, man. This thing screams. I love it. Ring, ring, ring. Don't run too many two-strokes. Run some snowmobiles around, old Panthers and stuff. Here, I put a link up for those right here. Boy, we have links for everything. You got to like and subscribe to this channel. There's so much cool stuff going on. All kinds of engine-related stuff. Awesome, awesome toys. Some camping fun and adventures. And three-wheelers and just dumb stuff overall. So make sure you have a good day. Go out and play with your stuff.